The United States trade border is constantly changing. New enforcement priorities are targeting global supply chains every day. Importers must stay alert to avoid sudden cargo detentions. Welcome to Customs Manager. Today we are presenting our latest regulatory update, the Customs Watch USA. We will explain the newest enforcement trends, look at a practical example, and show you how to protect your business. Let us look at the primary focus of US Customs right now. The government is heavily focusing on supply chain traceability. This enforcement is led by CBP. CBP stands for Customs and Border Protection. This is the official federal agency responsible for managing US import compliance. Right now, CBP is strictly enforcing a critical law called the UFLPA. UFLPA stands for the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. This is an official US trade policy designed to prevent goods made with forced labor from entering the American market. Under this act, CBP operates under a legal presumption. They assume that any goods sourced from high-risk regions are automatically made with forced labor. The burden of proof falls entirely on the importer to clear their name. Let us look at a practical example of how this impacts businesses today. Imagine a retail clothing company based in New York. They import a massive shipment of cotton t-shirts from a supplier in Asia. The shipment arrives at the port of Los Angeles. CBP agents detain the entire shipment at the border. They suspect that the raw cotton used to spin the yarn was sourced from a restricted region. The New York importer cannot simply show a standard commercial invoice to solve this problem. They must provide a complete, unbroken chain of custody documents. This means they must show official records tracking the cotton from the original farm, to the yarn spinner, to the fabric weaver, and finally to the t-shirt factory. If the importer fails to provide this verified data, CBP will formally seize the goods. The clothing company will lose their entire inventory and face severe supply chain disruption. This is why staying updated with the US Customs Watch is essential for corporate compliance. You must audit your suppliers and map your supply chain before your cargo reaches the port. At Customs Manager, our core business is providing the consulting, training, and actionable trade intelligence you need. We can help you implement robust supply chain mapping and ensure your documentation complies with CBP guidelines. If you found this update helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have specific compliance questions or need assistance with US trade regulations, book a free call with our expert team today using the link in the description. And finally, for actionable trade intelligence, sign up for a 30-day free trial at www.customsmanager.info. Thank you for watching. Watch your supply chains, verify your data, and we will see you in the next video.